improve its grade at school, and learn to play the game on the chemistry field by being made into a solutions genius. STV will hook him up with a couple of chemistry aces who will train him enough to pass my quizzes and, most importantly, his test. But is 5 days enough time to train this football superstar enough to get an A on his next exam? Will he be able to stay on the football team, or will his ability to play be vanquished? Will Carlos be able to score a touchdown on his next test, or will too much change make car comes to pressure? Find out now on May.
Hey everyone, this is Carlos's house. He doesn't know he's been chosen yet.
So we're gonna surprise him.
Who are you?
We're from MAID. We're gonna make you into a chemistry expert.
That is scary.
Alright, so Carlos, do you know what electrolytes are?
Who are you?
I'm Sandy. And I'm going to help you understand what electrolytes are. So first let's start with the definition. Electrolytes are substances that dissolve in water to allow the solution to carry an electric current.
Basically, what this means is when you put an electrolyte into water, it conducts electricity.
Electrolytes are found everywhere in the world. Many compounds, such as table salts, NaCl, which is also known as sodium chloride, dissociate into charged particles when placed in water. Okay, so when we put an ion into water, it looks like this. When we put an electrical charge into one side of the solution, all of the chlorine ions migrate away from the side with the electrical current, because we all know that electric charges repel each other, right?
Right. Hey, it's April!
So, Carlos, are you ready for your test?
I think so.
We'll see.
Oh. Alright. Hey, I got this!
Now it's time to see if you are a solubility genius. Will nonpolar molecules like methane be dissolved in water? The answer will be revealed later in the show. Now let's see Carlos's next day of studying.
Hello? Oh, okay. Hey, what's going on?
Hey Carlos, how's your test?
Horrible. I got the electrolytes part of the test down, but everything else, well, I was horrible.
Oh well, you know what that means. We'll just have to teach you some more. Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well we're going to start with solutions, colloids, and suspensions.
What are those things?
Well, Carlos, solutions are mixtures of two or more substances in the same phase that are equally distributed.
Remember that salt mixture I made the other day?
Yeah, that was a solution. I thought it was just electrolytes and water, plus salt isn't a liquid, right?
Well, that's because when it dissociated, its form became aqueous, which is similar to a liquid.
Oh, wait, but you said that there had to be in the same phase. Does that make a muffin with chocolate chips in it a solution?
Well, I guess if the chips are equally distributed, it does.
Good observation.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at this stuff.
Okay, back to chem. There are two main parts of the muffin and the chip. The two main parts of a solution are the solvent and the solute. The solvent surrounds the dissolved particles, so it's the muffin part. The solute is the dissolved particles, and thus the chip. Make sure you write that down. Now, on to suspensions.
Suspensions are mixtures with heavy particles in it, so that they come at the bottom.
Like pulp in orange juice. You have to shake it so that all the pulp doesn't just settle at the bottom.
But you can get pulp-free orange juice pretty easily by filtering it, which is a property of suspensions. They can be separated by a filter, unlike salt water. And that's about all you need to know about suspensions. On to colloids.
Pretty simple. It's like a combination of suspensions and solutions. It won't be separated through a filter like in solution. And its size is in between the two mixtures. Unlike solutions, the solutes and solvents can be different states. Some examples are cheese, whipped cream, and that kind of thing.
You'll get a better grade if you study from the book as well as from these tutoring sessions. I'll give you some time to study and look over your notes while Bree and I have a snack. She's obviously hungry.
I know I am. Hey, how was your snack?
That was pretty good. I saved you some juice and a muffin, but you can only have it after your test.
Solutions have to be in the same state. I remember this now. Suspensions are when the particles are so heavy that they sink to the bottom. Colloids can be a mixture of things from multiple states. I can do this. I can do this. But I can't do that.